This month, I just deleted 20% of email subscribers from my clients' lists, and yet our email revenue still continued to increase. Now, I know this sounds completely backwards. Every guru is out there telling you that you need to continue to grow your list, get more email subscribers, and that bigger is better. But here's the truth that's going to save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars every single month. Your email list is probably bleeding you dry. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you why I clean my clients' email list every single month, how this counterintuitive strategy still continues to increase our revenue coming from campaigns, and the exact 20-minute setup that automates this whole entire process so you never have to think about it again. And if you stick around to the very end, I'll give you the exact flow template that does all of this for you. Over the past 2 years, I've worked with 7- and 8-figure brands to build their email marketing systems, and I can tell you right now, most brands are doing email marketing backwards. Now, everyone tells you grow your list, get more subscribers. The bigger the list, the more money you will make. And while that is partially true, here's exactly what they don't tell you. You're paying for every single profile that is on your list right now, whether they're engaging with your content or not, whether they buy from you or not, or truthfully, whether they even remember signing up for the email list in the first place. Now, inside of Klaviyo, let's say you have $50,000 subscribers. That's about $750 per month you're paying to Klaviyo for nobody to open your email. But what if I told you about 15 to 20% of those profiles haven't opened an email in the last 6 months? You're literally paying $200 a month to send to those people who will never open them. And it gets worse. When you send to these unengaged subscribers, it's actually damaging your deliverability by the day. Gmail, Outlook, they look at the inbox and say, hey, only 20% of these emails are being opened. It must be spam, and there goes your brand. This is why your open rates keep dropping. This is why your revenue is plateauing, and this is why I delete 20% of my clients' email lists every single month. Quick interruption, if you are a brand doing over $50,000 per month and want to find where you might be leaking revenue, click the first link in the description to book a free audit call with me there. That will be the first link in the description. Now back to the video. Now let me show you exactly how to set up this automated system that handles all of this for you. Now this takes about maybe 20 minutes to set up, and it runs forever without you touching it. So first of all, we're going to create what I call a sunset segment. And so you're going to go to your segments inside of Klaviyo and create a new segment like so here. And this segment's pretty much just going to be has not opened email in the last 120 days. And actually you're going to want to has not opened email / clicked an email, because sometimes Klaviyo does not track the open. So we want to make sure that we get those people also by clicking as well, because we don't want to unsuppress people that have maybe clicked an email but haven't opened it just because of Klaviyo's fault. Next, has received at least 10 emails over all time. You can play with this here, of course, depending on how aggressive you want to be with your sending segments, but 10 emails is a pretty good start. And then email bounced twice over all time. So if someone's email has bounced twice, we do not want to keep them on our list anymore. It's just going to hurt our deliverability. So we want to suppress them as well. And then can receive email marketing, so they haven't unsubscribed yet. This is the segment that we are going to use. So essentially this will show you kind of everyone who's been getting your emails for like the past 1 to 2 months, but haven't opened at all. And so next we're going to create the flow that's called the sunset flow, of course. So the trigger is just going to be added to segment, which is our segment here. Once we are done making it, we're going to go into our flow builder inside of Klaviyo and then do the added to segment trigger. Now, when someone gets added to that segment, they will be enrolled in the sunset unengaged. And so here's how this flow works. When someone enters the sunset unengaged, they will get essentially 2 emails. And if they don't open them, then we suppress them automatically. And so this email, the first email is honestly really simple here. So no longer interested in us, day 0. Here, I like to kind of remind them of our unique selling point. So why they should stick around and be with us. Typically here, you can just kind of show like why you're better than competitors. But again, reinforce those values, drill them hard into them, and make sure that you're building a key separation between you and others. And then day 2, really simple email as well. Just a little bit of text. This is the last email you'll ever see from us. Let them know, hey, we understand maybe clean, effective supplements for the gym isn't what you're currently looking for. We'd hate to see you go, but we noticed you haven't been engaging with our emails recently. If you want to stay on the list, click the button down below and we'll make sure we keep you on here. And essentially what that button's going to do is it's going to track the click inside of this flow, and it will now no longer suppress them, but throw them back into your engaged segment. And so this is just to make sure that we clean our list on autopilot. Now, suppressing them does mean that they stay in your Klaviyo account for data purposes, but you essentially stop paying for them and they don't receive any more emails. So they're no longer an active profile, which Klaviyo you pay for. So look, I get it. Deleting subscribers feels scary. You've worked hard trying to build that list, but keeping unengaged subscribers in your list is like keeping expired food in your fridge. It just serves nobody a purpose. And so if you're doing over $50,000 per month and want me to personally audit your email setup and show you exactly where you're leaking revenue, you can book a call using the first link in the description down below. The brands that are winning email in 2026 are going to be the ones that focus on sending quality over quantity emails and in email marketing in their products and in their customer relationships. So hope you got something out of this. Leave a like, drop a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.